So today I'm going to work on my race car trailer. Yeah, every time I use this it's a pain in the butt, and I'll show you why. So this is my jack, and every time I want to raise it up, look at that. I hit that, right, hit that. It's such a pain in the butt. So what I'm going to do is take this jack off. So we're going to be going away with that one, and I'm going to put an A-frame jack in its place. You can see on the picture there, it's got that little flange. So we're going to put that right in here. So I've got to move a few things out of the way so that I can get it right down in here and make life a lot easier. So with that jack here, I'll be able to just crank it up this way rather than having to hit stuff every single time I try to raise or lower it. So let's get this party started. First things first, we got to move some wiring out of the way so the jack can fit in there. So I don't want to hit the toolbox with the handle, so I've got to have the jack up as far as I can get it. Alright, so since the load of the trailer is going to be on this flat piece in between and not on the bolts that I use don't have to be all that huge or awesome. I've just got some stainless steel, holy cow, yard sale. I've just got some stainless steel 1/4 bolts. I'm going to throw those in there, ramrod them down a little bit. I've got some washers. Some fender washers here. I'll ramrod them down with some of those guys, call it good. Alright, finally got all those bolts tightened down. That one was a little close, couldn't get a washer, no big deal. Let's check how it works. Oh yeah. So if the weight of the trailer was gonna be supported by the bolts, you'd want to make sure that you use some good bolts, probably grade 8. 3/8 or bigger. These are 1/4 way too small. Is also weldable, so you can weld that flange on there too. I just didn't have my welder with me today, so I didn't. So there we go. We got that installed. And then we can take this guy off. And I will put him in my toolbox as backup. Last thing is hooking the wiring up, so I almost forgot about that. So we're going to drill a hole here for the new ground. Once we get the grounds on, we'll get the other wires together, and we'll call it good. Well, guys, hopefully that was helpful. Hope you learned some good information. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.